Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable dual messenger, use separate contacts list on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Next, we go down to the bottom and tap on dual messenger. In here, go down to the contacts section and tap on use separate contacts list. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or on. Now say that you want to use your regular contacts, tap on yes if you agreed. And if you want to switch it on, just tap on the button to turn it on. And if you tap on the left hand side panel, you can select which contacts to show in the second copies of the apps. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.